Good morning guys. In this tutorial I have explained about difference between comparable and comparator in Java 8 with example. This is the very frequently asked question and answer for collection. So let's begin. First is comparable interface. The comparable interface is implemented by a class to define its natural ordering. It contains a single method compare to object values. Object compare the object with another object. By implementing comparable as a class indicates that its instance can be sorted using the natural order. For example, classes like string, integer and data implementation comparable to define their natural ordering. In comparator, the comparator interface provides a way to define custom ordering for object that may not have a natural ordering for a class cases where you want to define multiple sorting criteria. It contains two methods compare object 1 and object 2 is comparing both two objects and equals. The compare method compares two objects for ordering. Equals methods check whether the comparator is equal to another comparator. Comparator allow for flexible sorting strategy and is often used when you want to sort objects in different ways or when sorting object for classes that you cannot modify, sorting a list of object of a library classes. Here the code example of a comparable. We have the user class. We have created a user class and implement the comparable interface, and we have to declare in the variable, and we create the constructor. Here we apply the set and get method. After that we have to override it the compare to. Here is compare in the two methods age and both objects. This is the example of comparator. Here we have created the comparator example class. After that we have to create defining the object value, and these values stored in creating a list and storing the value in a list. And after that we have to applying the comparable for sorting. So we have to apply it for comparable to between the two objects. If we implement comparable, then only one type of sorting is allowed because compare to method can be written overridden only once. If we use comparator, we can define any number of sorting types. Now we some focusing on the main difference of the comparable and comparator. Comparable provides a single sorting sequence. In other words, we can sort the collection on the basis of single elements such as name, price and ID. Comparator provides multiple sorting sequence. We can sort the collection of the basis of multiple elements such as ID, name and price. Comparable affect original values. Comparator does not affect original values. Comparable provides the compare to methods and comparator provides compare method for sort the element. Comparable is present on java.lang package and comparator is presenting for util package. We can sort the element of the comparable type by collection.sort list name, and we can sort the list element of comparator types collection.sort list comparator methods. So we have to summary of the comparable and comparator. Comparable is used to define the natural ordering of object within a class. Comparator is used to define custom ordering for object, providing flexibility in sorting strategy, especially when you cannot or do not want to modify all the original data. So thanks for this watching and giving the times.